Brody got the smallmouth. Get a release on that guy. Sick. Good. Max caught it. Such a goofy noise.
Max.
Uh-oh.
Nothing please me more than you.
Tell me when you're alright. Smallmouth. Oh, do you want me to? I think I'm right in this water. This water's nice and clear. Wait, do you want my rod? That one? Yeah, it's right in these big old rapids.
Oh, nice.
I'm gonna go back to my bluegill fishing.
Hey, Brody.
It's not that big, but he's the biggest one of the day.
What kind of fly?
Fast release. Smallmouth. It's in the dirty water right here. He's down right here. Wow, that was so calm for a smallmouth. Still right there. Yeah. Can you hold out your net? It's actually a stud. Wait, get it underwater, please. No, I will. Okay, you can stop recording. Alright. That was good. You know that, right? No, I know. I just clicked the button. Yeah. Oh. Pumped. He got out. Alright.
Nice fish. Nice fish. What kind of fly? Nice.
What up? PV smallmouth on the woolly bugger. 12-incher.
Let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with you.
I am. Yes, sir. Alright, let's get a release on these two bad boys. You have to release the. That was terrible. Well.